Hey, what's up everyone? Ronio here and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I do content around menswear and lifestyle, so if that interests you, definitely consider subscribing. Most of us have been under quarantine and locked down for the past year and a half, but finally we can change up the scenery because things have opened back up. I have a trip coming up, so I thought it'd be a good idea to talk to you all about packing and give you a little guide as to how to pack smart and not overpack. So if you're ready for this video, give this video a thumbs up and let's hop into it. How long is your stay? Is it for a weekend, a week, maybe 2 or more? Answering this will help you determine which type of bag is most appropriate for your trip. A duffel bag is perfect for those shorter trips or weekend excursions, while the carry-on bags are perfect for those trips that are about a week, maybe even 2 weeks. The larger bag will definitely be more appropriate for trips that are a month or more. Now you are allowed 2 personal bags onto the plane, and this is where my backpack also comes in handy. I kept my laptop in there, my headphones, any computer gear I might need, also any accessories I might need for my trip. Plan what to pack based off where you're going, what you'll be doing, and what the weather will be that day or during those set planned activities. By doing this, you'll be packing more efficiently, only packing what you deem necessary for those days and activities. Remember, you did plan for other days, so technically you do have other items you can work with, so get creative and make those clothes stretch. Bring clothing that can be worn in both casual and formal settings. By doing this, you bring variety but also maximize on your luggage space. Go as lightweight as possible, and that way you're not worried about not packing enough. Remember, you can always layer up these items if need be for warmth, but remember to always wear your heavier items like your jackets and your coats on you to the airport and on the airplane, and that way you are optimizing your space. It does get cold on the plane, so you're gonna need it sometimes. A good rule of thumb is to pack 2 of everything. 2 pairs of shoes, 1 formal, 1 casual, 2 pairs of pants. This could be a pair of jeans and a trouser, or it can be 2 pairs of jeans. Just make one a light to a medium wash and the other to a dark or a black pair, and that way you can wear those for night outings or more formal occasions. 2 shirts, 1 t-shirt, 1 button up, and 2 outerwear pieces, something like a sweater, hoodie, lightweight denim jacket, heavier coats, such like that. And this is at the minimum. If need be, depending on the extent of your stay, obviously pack more. Pack extra pairs of socks and underwears. Don't be out there getting caught slipping, ever. Travel size items only. I can't emphasize that enough. I've had so many things in my earlier parts of traveling taken away from me that I just bought and spent a lot of money on, and they took it because it was not travel size. So don't let that be you. I normally pack 2 of everything if I am buying like individual items. However, there are bottles that you can buy from stores like Target or even your drugstores that are specifically for traveling and travel size, that you can just put the items that you already have in your house into and take those with you. And that concludes today's video, guys. I hope you're able to get some useful tips for your next travel plans and found this informative. If you did, hit that like button for me. Let me know down below in the comments of any tricks or any other tips that you might have for traveling. Share this video with a friend who you know will benefit from this, and subscribe if you're new here and haven't already, and for more content like this. And until the next one, guys, Ronio is out. Take care. Travel size items only. I have in my earlier days of traveling, first time traveling, like I have had so many things taken away from me that I just bought brand new, spent money on, and they took it. They took it, and honestly to this day it still hurts. So don't let that be you. Don't let that be you.